Okay. Did you start?
Yes.
Okay, Bismillah. Okay, brother, please.
Brothers.
Join us to witness the Shahada. Okay. Sunod ka lang sa akin, brother. Okay. Sabi mo yung right finger mo. Okay, this is a sign of one discipline. Okay. I will say in a three declaration. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah wa ashhadu anna Isa ibn Maryam abduhu wa Rasulullah. So in English, I bear witness that there's no other God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. And I bear witness that Jesus Christ, Son of Mary, is a messenger and prophet of Allah. So in our language, ako'y nanunumpa at ako'y sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos na sasambahin maliban kay Allah. At ako'y sumusumpa at ako'y sumasaksi rin na si Muhammad ay kanyang sugo at propeta. At ako'y sumasaksi rin na si Jesucristo na anak ni Maria ay kanyang sugo at propeta. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Congratulations, brother.